Welcome students. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, divisibility. Chapter number 7 is omitted from your syllabus for this year. Means symmetry chapter is not there for your portion, in your portion. And now in this the last recall part, that is the divisibility test for 2, 5 and 10 omitted, but we will do it as a revision because it will help in your next chapter, that is HCF and LCM. So first we will recall the test for divisibility of 2, 5 and 10, and then we will study the divisibility test for 3, 4 and 9. Okay, so let's start. Without wasting a time, we will start our chapter. So your chapter number 8, that is divisibility. Okay, now first, what is a test for 2? Okay, now the test of divisibility. Test of divisibility test for divisibility test for 2. Now what is a test for divisibility test for 2? Means if in your unit place there is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, then that number is divisible by 2. Okay, this divisibility test for 2 is in your 5th standard, so that's why I am not writing your statement. Okay, just write the example here, that is, see the first example, that is if we will take 12. Now in the unit place, this is a unit place, the 10th place, unit place there is 2, then this number, this 12 is divisible by 2. Okay, if we will take only 4, then 4 is divisible by 2, as you all know. If we will take 268, 3-digit number, then in a unit place there is 8, then this test is this number is divisible by 2. Okay, clear? Now see the next one, that is divisibility test for 5. Now what is a test for divisibility test for 5? That is in unit place, if there is 0 and 5, then that number is divisible by 5. That is example, that is 10, 15, 500, 5505, 5005, like that. You see, in unit place there is 0 and 5. Okay, then this number is divisible by 5. Then now next test, that is divisibility test for 10. Now if in a unit place there is 0, then that number is divisible by 10. Means you can take here 10, 100, 600, 1200. You can see in unit place there is 0, then that number is divisible by 10. Okay, this is the revision part that you have studied in standard 5th. Now we will move to the divisibility test for 3. Just read the statement here. Test for divisibility for 3. What is written here? That is, if the sum of the digit in a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Means what? See here, this first example is given here, that is 63. Then what you will do? You will add the digit. What is a digit here? In unit place there is 3, and in tens place there is 6. Then 6 plus 3 is equals to, you have to add the digit, means 6 plus 3, what will come? 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. That means this is the sum is divisible by 9, means sum, what is the sum of this? This is 9. The 9 is divisible by 3, means this 63 is divisible by 3. In the same way you have to complete this table. Take the second example. What is given here? 8 872. 872. Now here what you will do, you will add the digit, that is 8 plus 7 plus 2. Then when you will add, that is 8 plus 7, that is 15, and 15 plus 2 is 17. 7 can't be divided by 3. 17 can't be divided by 3. That means your 872 is not divisible by 3. Clear? Now take the second one, 91. Then what you will do, that is 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. 10 again is not divisible by 3. 10 is not coming in the table of 3. Therefore it is not divisible. This 91 is not divisible by 3. Clear? Now take the next example, that is 552. Then what you will do, you will add, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5. When you will add the digit, then what will come? 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Then 12 is divisible by 3. 12 is divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12. Okay. 12 is there in the table of 3. Then that means this 552 is divisible by 3. Then you have to put your right sign. Okay. Now the next number, that is 9336. Okay. Then here what you will do, you will add the digit. Now here we will add the digit, that is 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6. Then when you will add, then what will come? 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15, and 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 is divisible by 3. Means 3 7s are 21. That means your 9336 is divisible by 3. Then you will put this sign here. Okay. Now the next number is 4527. Then again you will add the digit. Okay. Now add, then what will come here? 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 2, that is 11. And 11 plus 7, that is equals to 18. Then 18 is divisible by 3. Okay, 3 6 are 18. Then this means their 4527 is divisible by 3. Clear? Now what you will do? In your notebook, you will write this test for divisibility first. Okay, divisibility test for 3 you have to write, and after that make this column. They make this table there and write the same table as it is. Okay. I hope the test for divisibility for 3 is clear to you. Now we will move to the next, that is divisibility test for 4. Now as you are aware of the test of divisibility for 2, 5 and 10, in this 3 what you are seeing here, that is only unit place you will observe. Okay, if in unit place there is 0 2 4 6 8, then that number is divisible by 2. Here also you will check the unit place for 5. Okay, and here also unit place. But for divisibility test for 4, you will check both unit place and the tens place. What you will check? Unit place and tens place. Just read the statement here. The divisibility test for 4, that is, if the number formed by a digit in the tens and a unit place, number formed by a digit in a tens and a unit place, this is a tens place and this is a unit place, of the number is divisible by 4, means you have to check whether these two numbers are divisible by 4, then the entire number, the full number, is divisible by 4. Okay. Now see here, in the first one, what is the number is given? What number is given? That is 992. Then what you will check? See, what you will check? That is, you will check the both unit and tens place. Means if unit and tens place, what is the number there? That 92. Then you will check whether 92 is divisible by 4. Okay. Then we will check it. Then how we will check? See, that you have to do in a rough work. That is 92 divisible by 4. Then 4 2s are 8, 12, 4 3s are 12. Here you can see 92 is completely divisible by 4. Okay, that means this 992 is divisible by 4. Clear? Now see in the next question. 7314. Here you can see the number formed by the unit and the tens place. Unit and a tens place, what is that? That is 14. And 14 is not divisible by 3 because 14 is not divisible by 4. Okay, because 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. 14 is not there in the table of 4. Okay, that means this number is not divisible by 4. Okay, now the next number, that is 6448. Now here the number found by the unit and tens place, that is 48. Then 48 is divisible by 4. How? That is 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Your quotient is coming, that is 12. Now let's check what that is 48. You have to check tens in a unit place. What is the number? That is 48. You will divide it, that is 4 ones are 4 and here 8, 4 twos are 8. Then your remainder is 0, means it's completely divisible by 4. That means this number is divisible by 4. Same way you have to solve this. Okay, now here also you will first write the test for divisibility of 4 and after that make the table. Okay, now we will move to the next test, that is divisibility test for 9. Now in this, as you have studied test for 3, in this you will add the digit and you will check whether the number you will get after adding the digit, whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, here also in 9 also you will add the digit and you will check for 9. You will check for 9 whether the number you will get is divisible by 9. Then the number is divisible by, the complete number is divisible by 9. Okay, now see here the first one, what is the number? That is 1980. Then here you will add the digit, the number you will get, that is 80. Then 18 is divisible, 9 twos are 18, means 18 is divisible by 9. That means the whole number is divisible by 9. Clear? Yeah. So the next number, what is that? That is 2999. Then what you will do? You will add the digit 9 plus 9 plus 9. Then 9 plus 9, that is 18. 18 plus 9, that is 27. 27 plus 2, then you will get 29. And 29 is not divisible by 9. Then the whole number is not divisible by 9. Clear? I hope this similarly you have to solve the next. Okay, and here also just read this test for divisibility for 9, that is, if the sum of digit of a number is completely divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Here also you will write the statement and then make the table. Okay, now we will start the practice set 22. Now in this practice set, what is given here? Just read the question. There are some flowering trees in a garden. Each tree bears many flowers with the same number printed on it. Here you can see, here are the flowers. Here the numbers are 111, 220, 369, 435. Okay, now, and here you can see 3 children are there. That is, they are having the basket. In the basket, what is written here? 3. Okay, here you can see in her basket, what is written here? 3. In his basket, 4. Here in her basket, 9 is written. Then here you have to check which flower they will collect from the this tree. Okay, then here what you will do, means here is 3, means here you have to, for her you have to check the divisibility test for 3. For him you have to check test for divisibility test for 4, and for her you have to check the test for divisibility test for 9. Okay, then how we will write? No need to draw this diagram in your notebook. Okay, just write the practice set. Okay, and write here the answer, that is what you will write, flowers with the number in the basket having. Then here we will write flowers with the number, which number, with numbers in basket having, which number they are having, that is number 3, number 4 and number 9. Then here we will write number 3, number 4 and number 9. Okay, then first we will check for 111. Okay, then we will add the digit. When you will add, what you will get, that is 1 plus 1 and plus 1, that is 3. Then 3 is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. Then here we will write the number, that is 111. Okay, now same number we will check for 4 and for 9. Then for 4 we will check the unit and the tens place. The number formed is 11. 11 is not divisible by 4, means it will he will not collect the flower bearing the number 111. Okay, now for 9 we will add the digit, then we will get here 3. 3 can't be divisible by 9. Okay, then she will also not collect this flower. Okay, now we will move to the next number. What is the next number? That is 369. Then when you will add the digit, okay, when you will add the digit, here I am doing, that is 3 plus 6 plus 9. Then what we will get, that is 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3 and for 9 also. Okay, but it is not but this 69 is not divisible by 4, means this number this flower will she will also collect and she will also collect. Okay, then here we will write 369, we will write here and here also. Okay, now we will move to the next one, that is 435. We will add the digit. First we will add the digit. After adding, what we will get, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 5, that is 12. Okay, 12 is divisible by 3, but 12 is not divisible by 9. Okay, then we will write here 435 here. And 435, the number formed by 2 digits is 35. 35 can't be divided by 4. Then the 435, this flower will only collect by her. Okay, now see the next number, that is 356. Okay, we will add the digit. First we will add the digit. 3, 5 and 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. Now here this is 14 and 14 can't be divided by 3 and not divisible by 9. Okay, but we will check for the divisibility test for 4. Then we will take 56. We will check whether 56 is divisible by 4 or not. Okay, then here we will divide 56. 4 ones are 4, 16. Okay, 4 fours are 16. Then here you can see 56 is completely divisible by 4. That means this 356, this flower will collect by him. Okay, then here we will write 356. Now see the next one, 220. When you will add the digit, what you will get? 4. 4 can't be divided by 3, and it will also not divided by 9. Okay, but 20, the number form in unit and 10 place is 20. 20 is divisible by 4. Then we will write 220 here. Clear? Similarly, you have to check for remaining numbers. Okay, with this practice set is over. The remaining sums are your homework. In the next video, we will see the HCF and LCM. For this chapter, you have to practice this practice set. Okay, means test for divisibility, test for 2, 5, 10, 3, 4 and 9. Okay, if you are aware of this chapter, of this concept of the divisibility test, okay, then you can solve this chapter very easily. Okay, clear? Okay, bye.